Did you know more than half of all trading activity on the stock market is done by just high-frequency trading algorithm? I had no idea either, but I learned a lot in 2022, both about trading and myself. If you stick around, I'll give you 7 crucial lessons I learned this year that would make you happier, healthier, and wealthier in 2023. And if you want even more ways to build your portfolio, tap that like button, subscribe to our channel for the best stock market and trading videos on this side of the internet. The first lesson I learned in 2022 is about life. The importance of setting aside dedicated time for trading and family commitments. Answer this question. Why are you trading in the first place? I trade for my family and I want to give my wife the ability to stay at home with the kids and provide them with a better future. And by putting my family first, I traded for 1 hour, make my money and dedicate the rest of the day for them. Day traders can manage their time and avoid conflicts or distractions that can affect their trading performance by simply just setting aside dedicated time to both trading and family commitments. Number 2, I realized developing a disciplined approach to trading is essential, and that includes setting a clear goals and sticking to a well-defined strategy. I learned that I could set up a daily loss limit inside of my trading platform, and it's one of the best things I did for myself risk management wise in 2022. Let me talk about this. I used to overtrade. I used to revenge trade, and emotionally losing money, making me so toxic. I would revenge trade myself into situations where I'll lose tons of money, and instead of stopping while I was ahead, I would only stop because I was sick from my losses. Trust me, setting a stop loss is for the greater good, and no matter how bad you want to stay in a trade because you think it would bounce back, it's better to take a couple of small losses to preserve your account and give you an opportunity to catch a big fish. Play a metaphorical game of baseball for yourself, for example. Your trading desk is the plate, and you either get a base hit or 3 strikes and you're out. Tomorrow is a new day, and by creating this discipline, I guarantee another day to trade. A good trader is a disciplined trader. This lesson can help traders stay focused and make more informed decisions. Lesson number 3 is the value of staying updated with market news and events that could affect the value of stocks or future contracts. Know that market movement is entirely different every single day, and keeping an eye on the charts, even on days you don't trade, gives me much more technical knowledge and experience with the charts. Now, screen time is not about staring at the chart 24 hours a day. Screen time is about looking at the charts or at the market for at least an hour a day for me, and constantly looking for upcoming events such as the quarterly earnings, federal government news, FOMC. Staying up to date with market news and events can provide valuable insights and help day traders anticipate potential changes. Number 4, next is the importance of maintaining a healthy work-life balance to avoid burnout and ensure a long-term success as a trader. Have you felt like not doing anything after eating fast food? Remember the last time you lacking sleep? Maintaining a good physical condition is as important as technical and risk management ability. This means maintaining regular sleep habits, getting some from movement in every day, like be walking, be running, lifting weights, or frisbee or golf or anything, as long as you got some movement in. Eating a protein-rich diet or making time for rest and relaxation. All of this ensure you have the energy and mental clarity to make good decisions in the market. Number 5, the benefits of using technology and trading tools to improve efficiency and make informed decisions. I signed up for TraderView and it completely changed my game. I can dig deep into the data and track my performance to understand my trading style further. Calculating results based on price, volume, day and time, market movement, and instrument behavior. Compare winnings days with losing days, long positions versus short positions, breakout trade versus support and resistance trades. The right trading tools can simply improve a day trader efficiency and help them making better decisions and more money. Number 6, and possibly the most important trading lesson, the need to constantly educate oneself and developing this new skill set to stay competitive in the fast-paced world of day trading. trading. Proper education is essential, and relearning the educations let you understand the same materials differently. Go through these trading courses again if you sign up for them, and knowledge will be gained. Number 7, the importance of seeking support and guidance from experienced traders and other professionals to help navigate the challenges of day trading. I met with dozens of fellow traders in 2022, including 20 plus years veterans of the game. Every time I do these kind of events, I instantly learn something new. We trade on the same charts every day, and we get another perspective of the how, the why, the when to get in about the charts differently, and they can provide valuable insights and help day traders navigate the challenges of trading. All of these lessons have led to my greatest trading year yet, but more importantly, a year of a trader's life balance, which allows me to work for a few hours in the morning and then spend the rest of my day with my family. See you in the next video.